Welcome to TFBTV's coverage of SHOT Show 2026, presented by 511 Tactical. Fellas, this looks like something straight out of, I don't know, Fallout or something like that. We are at Tippmann Ordnance looking at a drill battery-powered a 22 Gatling gun. Brad, what are you calling this and what is it?
I nicknamed it the SF-22 Mini. It's a shoulder-fired minigun. Yeah, the 22 has a drill battery up front. We run the power through the rails. Motor sits back in here. We put a stock on it to make it a rifle, and then variable speed minigun.
How does it feed?
Belt link system that we make for all of our little 22 Gatling guns. Yeah.
Okay. Is this something that you're actually planning on making for and selling?
Yeah, it would be like a kit. So you'd buy the regular little 22, and then you'd buy the kit and apply it later. But you have to be like an SOT
of course,
manufacturer.
Which we actually are. So for me, yeah. So this actually interests me because I could do it. How did you come up with this idea?
I saw some guys on YouTube turning them into miniguns, and I was like, well, I can make it cooler than that. So I wanted to make it shoulder fired because it's lightweight enough. And
now walk me through the kit process. Let's say I'm interested in this. You said buy one of the regular 22s. Assume that a lot of people watching this just saw how awesome this is and they click through and they have no idea about your company, what you sell. They say, I want this. How do I do it?
You go to tippmannordnance.com, and then you would go to our 22 caliber Gatling gun, and then that would be your base for the upgrade kit, and then you'd have to do some machining and stuff like that, because you know how the government likes us to do things the most difficult way possible.
Yeah, well, because if it were just like plug and play, then they would call it a machine gun or whatever. Before you set it down, if you would just kind of walk me through what we have here, like the sights and the Picatinny rail and the stock, so on and so forth.
So when I designed it, like I put a Picatinny rail on because this is the firing barrel. So you can put a laser right on there, and you are right on.
Okay, that makes sense.
And then we run the power down to the back, and it uses all pre-existing holes because I just took off the drill handle. I gave you new rails. They're aluminum. They're lighter weight. They don't do anything but hold the front together and stuff like that. So it's not going to do any damage to anything on the gun. And then it just uses pre-existing holes. You have to drill and tap a couple holes, But,
of course.
But yeah, so.
What type of battery life am I getting?
You're going to laugh. It's a 2 amp hour battery, so you should get about 2 hours of trigger time.
That's a whole lot of 22 to shoot.
Yeah, if you're doing 2,000 a minute, so you better have a pallet.
yeah, for sure. No, that's wonderful because I always forget to charge stuff. So cost-wise, what are we looking at? You already kind of walked us through, hey, look, you're going to buy our 22 Gatling gun. You're going to buy the kit. What's all in approximately?
I'm ballparking it right around $3,000 for the kit.
Okay.
And it'll come with everything you need, instructions and.
Well, look, man, I mean, that's like half a high-end 2011. That's not that expensive, but it's triple the fun, in my opinion. So this is incredible. This caught our attention. We had to stop and bother you about it, Brad. But this is wonderful. This is the fun stuff that I like finding down here, like in the sub-level at SHOT Show. Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing you more from SHOT Show 2026. Take care.